Dakota 3.96 cylinder engine.
98.
We have a 98, excuse me. We have a misfire number 4, which could be a valve problem, but we also have a code P0351. The car is or the truck is running sluggish. It sometimes stalls, lack of power, not so much from the misfire, but possibly some other problem with this P0351. If somebody has some feedback they could give me on that, I'd appreciate it. But sometimes, especially when we're at low RPM, the truck just dies out. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.